In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the X or Twitter username that you want. So there's kind of a new process for this, and they've made a way for people to start to claim some of these unused handles that have been sitting around doing nothing for years. So first thing you probably want to do is get premium. You want to be a premium user, and that's going to give you the check mark, make you verified, and give you a bunch of other nice features. The Grok is actually super helpful. I'll be doing some tutorials with that soon. And then you want to come to the website handles.x.com. And I can click how it works. So this is like a marketplace where you can request and see what's available and try to get the handle that you want. So there's going to be rare ones, priority ones, like Pizza, Tom, and One are obviously very hard to get. Requests are usually reviewed within 7 days. Requesting rare handles, so some of these you might have to purchase even. They said that you might have to pay $2,500 to 7 figures, which for some people, that could be worth it. For me, I probably don't want to pay for anything. But you can just type the handle that you would want here, and it's going to say AmpX is a rare handle. Register your interest to get notified when this handle becomes available. So I want to register my interest. You can click for personal use or for business use. How will you use this handle on X? Write 2 to 3 sentences describing why you're a good fit and what you intend to use it for. So be descriptive. I already wrote this and I'm just pasting it in. I would like this handle for my personal brand. It is the initials of my name and then X to represent the different projects that I do. I post about YouTube, collectibles, crypto, gaming, nostalgia, and more. Then you can click register your interest and it'll say thank you, your interest has been registered. And then you can also go to your watch list here and you can do this for multiple handles and they'll just make a list of all the ones that you request. So if I wanted to do another handle, I could type that in here and go through the same steps.